Demand analysis. Overview. Demand refers to the quantity of a good or service that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices during a specific period. It represents the relationship between the price of a product and the quantity demanded by consumers. Understanding demand is crucial for managerial decision-making in various areas, including pricing, production planning, marketing strategies, and revenue management. Managers need to analyze demand patterns to make informed decisions about product offerings, pricing strategies, inventory management, and resource allocation. The law of demand states that, all other factors being equal, as the price of a good or service increases, the quantity demanded by consumers decreases, and vice versa. This inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded is a fundamental concept in economics and has important implications for pricing decisions and revenue management. Let us now discuss the determinants of demand. Several factors influence the demand for a product or service, starting with price. Changes in the price of a product or service directly affect the quantity demanded by consumers. A decrease in price typically leads to an increase in demand, while an increase in price leads to a decrease in demand, in Latin ceteris paribus, which means assuming all other factors remain constant. Next is income. Changes in consumers' income levels influence their purchasing power and, consequently, their demand for various goods and services. For normal goods, as income increases, demand also increases. For inferior goods, as income increases, demand decreases. Preferences and tastes. Consumer preferences and tastes play a significant role in shaping demand. Products that are perceived as desirable or fashionable are likely to have higher demand, while products that fall out of favor may experience lower demand. Price of related goods. The prices of related goods, including substitutes and complements, affect the demand for a particular product. An increase in the price of a substitute product typically leads to an increase in demand for the focal product. Conversely, an increase in the price of a complement product may decrease the demand for the focal product. Expectations. Consumer expectations about future prices, income levels, or product availability can influence current demand. For example, if consumers expect the price of a product to increase in the future, they may increase their current demand to take advantage of lower prices. Understanding these determinants helps managers predict and respond to changes in demand conditions, enabling them to make more effective business decisions.